Designed as the last in a series of videos sponsored by Gamecock Edquarters in the College of Education, this video will help you navigate the registration process. If, at any time, you have questions about this process, please contact the Gamecock Edquarters office at 803-777-6732 or coestudy@mailbox.sc.edu. Course registration is an important part of your journey, and you will need to be prepared to register for your courses each semester. After your admission was finalized, you received a series of emails from your graduate advisor. In the email entitled Course Advisement, you received a course rotation, which shows the course offerings by semester for your program. In the same email, you received the courses you should register for in the upcoming semester. If you cannot locate this email, contact Gamecock Edquarters via email at coestudy@mailbox.sc.edu. In the email, give your VIP ID, program you are admitted to, and ask for the course advisement email to be resent. This email will be routed to your graduate advisor so they can resend the course advisement email. If calling is more convenient, call the Gamecock Edquarters office at 803-777-6732 and ask to talk with a graduate advisor for your program. The course advisement email contains two names that you should add to your contact list. One is your graduate advisor, and the other is your faculty advisor. Your graduate advisor is housed in the Gamecock Edquarters office and can assist you with your planned courses, required paperwork, and university processes. If you have a question, contact your graduate advisor in the Gamecock Edquarters office. All graduate students are assigned a faculty advisor within your program as well. This faculty advisor works closely with your graduate advisor to make sure you are advised for appropriate courses each semester. In addition, faculty advisors are faculty members within your discipline who help to guide you as you develop your research interest and build your knowledge in the field of education. Congratulations on completing this video series sponsored by the Gamecock Edquarters office in the College of Education at the University of South Carolina. If you have any questions about how to accomplish any of the items mentioned in this video, please contact the Gamecock Edquarters office at 803-777-6732 or coestudy@mailbox.sc.edu. Again, we are excited that you have chosen USC and will be a graduate student within the College of Education. For additional video resources on the registration process, as well as how to use the advising technologies, please visit the University Advising Center website at sc.edu/advising. On the left-hand menu, click Advising Checklist, then Student Advising Resources.